Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at Money Lover and answering the big question, is Money Lover worth it? If you're searching for a budgeting app to help you manage your finances, track your spending, and save more money, then this review is for you. Money Lover is a popular personal finance app that lets you record your income and expenses, create budgets, track bills, monitor your savings, and even connect your bank accounts in supported regions. The app has a clean and beginner-friendly interface, making it easy to understand where your money is going. One of its best features is the detailed spending reports and charts, which help you identify unnecessary expenses and improve your budgeting habits. The free version offers enough tools for basic expense tracking, but some advanced features, such as unlimited wallets, premium reports, and additional customization options, require a paid subscription. So, is it worth paying for? If you only need a simple app to keep track of your daily expenses, the free version should be more than enough. However, if you want advanced budgeting tools, better financial insights, and more flexibility for managing multiple accounts or long-term financial goals, then upgrading to the premium version can be a worthwhile investment. Overall, Money Lover is a reliable and easy-to-use budgeting app that's suitable for students, professionals, and anyone looking to gain better control over their finances. If this review helped you decide whether Money Lover is the right app for you, don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel for more app reviews and budgeting tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.